For the ECH001 Section A12 Design Challenge, our team name was Bean Me Up. For the challenge, our team was tasked with creating the best tasting coffee while maintaining low energy usage to stay green. This is our process flow diagram. It shows the process of our specific brew for the design challenge, as well as the mass used, the waste, and the many unit operations that took us from water and green beans to a thermos of coffee with enough for the whole class. We tried 3 different machines that were energy efficient in our design trials. The AirPress was problematic as it took too much time for the 45-minute brewing period we were given. The French press left a gritty residue in our brew, which ruined the experience and could have been made worse when sitting in a thermos for a whole class period. We chose the Clever Dripper for our final design competition because it didn't take long and tasted great. We aimed between sweet and sour in our design trials but kept hitting off the charts. This was likely due to the low extraction time and the coffee grounds not being fine enough. We started with a grind size of 20 and extraction time of 5 minutes, but we realized that the PE was extremely low and our coffee was tasteless. So we chose to use a grind size of 17 and increased our extraction time to 6 to 7 minutes. This made our coffee a lot more rich and gave a stronger body. When deciding the factors that went into our final design, we wanted to improve upon the body and flavor of our trials. As was previously mentioned, we increased the grind size and extraction time while decreasing the temperature. We were going for a brew ratio of around 15 with 62.6 grams in dry grounds for the 964.5 grams of water we were planning on using. We decided to choose Colombia as our bean type for the final roast. This is because we thought that it had the best smell and flavor out of the 3 available. For our roasting settings, we looked at previous labs and chose what we believe would create medium roast. In this case, it was 898. Although the popcorn roaster used less energy, we thought that the fresh roast produced higher quality and more consistent beans. Our total energy for the brew was 0.237 kilowatt hours. To lower the energy output, we chose to use a lower temperature than usual for our water, from 94 to 92 degrees, made sure to roast a larger batch size. Although our yield was still off the charts, we believe that this is the best way for it to be served. With higher yield, the coffee has more body and a soothing aftertaste. During the blind test, we were generally unimpressed with our brew. We thought that the fragrance was nice, with an okay flavor and aftertaste, but disliked the balance and thought that the body was lacking. The only descriptor we used was bitter. Our personal score may have been affected by the fact that we tried our own brew first. In the overall competition, we got 3rd place and tied for 2nd in taste. This was surprising to us because we were generally unexcited about our brew personally. Our blind taste score was 23.33 and our final score was 98.24. In the future, we would experiment more with the design of our coffee and do more trial brews, specifically in attempts to tweak the body of our brew. This could be done by increasing the extraction time, for example. We would also try the same brew with the popcorn roaster instead of the fresh roast to see if the change in taste would be worth the decrease in energy usage. Generally, we would tweak our designs minimally for slight improvements. Thank you.